Hi guys, we are playing Meowdoku and this is level 50. Let's start. Alright, let's try there.
Nice!
Okay, maybe there. Alright, we need to find 9 cats. So far we have 3. Let's maybe try there. No. Alright. Now let's look here. Oh my god. Alright. I only have 1 fish left. Okay, maybe the green one is there.
Nice!
Okay. Alright.
Great! Perfect!
There. Alright.